We pop on the prize when we win. This is your friend James, and this is Harvest Blends Smoky Barbecue with sweet potatoes. So I mean, that just sounds like it's gonna be nasty. I mean, no offense. I mean, I know sweet potato is sweet potato is healthy. Sweet potato pie is epic, but I'm like, sweet potato barbecue. I think some people just take stuff too far extreme. But you know, these people have not. So far, I haven't tasted a Pringles that didn't taste like it was supposed to. Just maybe they should have had this in a smaller snack size than all this. Because I mean, you gotta really like sweet potatoes. Because I hate sweet potato fries. Ruby Nurse by G say, man. Smells like sweet potato Pringles. Yellow corn is actually. This is actually made out of yellow corn. This is made out of degerminated yellow corn flour. So this is actually not made out of potatoes. Let me zoom in a little bit more. This is not made out of potatoes, my friends. This is actually made out of, what's it trying to, it's trying to zoom? Oh, okay, here we go. 4K camera having the time of its life. It's trying, you know, it's basically, this is not potatoes. Food be nourished by G7. Tastes like the barbecue Pringles. This tastes like barbecue Pringles. Oh, there's potatoes in it. And sweet potato. This tastes like a barbecue Pringles. Smoky barbecue? It does kind of taste like smoky barbecue. Oh, there is the sweet potato taste. It was late. Tardy slip from the teacher. Yeah, it's there. Okay, it's a hit. It's a miss because I wouldn't buy this anymore. Because this is just too much. Oh no. Smoky barbecue sweet potato. It's a hit because it tastes like it's supposed to, but it's a miss because nah, it ain't that good. It ain't that good. It ain't that good. Love y'all. Let me be.